Hello, welcome to episode 234. We are going to be toggling objectives. Useful to make a button work as a lever or for keeping track of things. My example is going to be, is the power on? So we have a room, the player goes in, they can't open the door because there's no power, they do something else and turn the power on. How do we know if the power's on or off? We will have a scoreboard. Objectives. Add. That doesn't say add, that says as. State. Dummy. Okay. And we're just going to use that one objective for all the different things that we want on or off. Or yes or no. And I want to be able to see it on the scoreboard as well. Scoreboard. Objectives. Set display. Sidebar. State. Done. Just put display score, hide score. Hiding the score is nice and easy. We just have to take, there we go, just set the sidebar to nothing. So let's have the objective, let's display it. And now let's make a toggle. And this will be for power. So the player comes and presses this button and it's going to toggle the power. So we will execute store success as a score. Player we'll call power on. Now normally you want to put that in the front to make sure that no player can have this name and also so it doesn't display on scoreboards. For this testing purposes, for the moment I want to see it on the scoreboard, so I'm going to take that off. And we're going to store it in their state. So if the next command is successful, it will store a 1, and if it's not successful, it will store a 0. And my command is going to be if score power on state matches 0. So if it does match 0, this will be successful, and it will store a 1. If it matches 1, it won't be successful and it'll store a 0. That's the theory. Let's press the button. We've got a 0, we've got a 1. We've got a 0, we've got a 1. So now we've got a button working as a lever. Let's put some commands on there. Pretty simple. We will execute if score power on state matches 0. Execute if store power. Yep, that looks alright. Run, say, I suppose that would be power off, wouldn't it? Power off. And then we'll copy that control middle mouse. And this one, well, will be on. And if it matches 1. So there's where you're running your commands. So now we have, clear the chat. Power off, and you can see the state is off. Power on, and the state is on. Off, on. Cool. And if you wanted more, nothing to stop you having more. We could. That one's tracking power. This one could track something else. All we have to do is just pick a different name. So that's tracking the power. Maybe this one is the door open? Door open. Door open. So we're just changing the fake name. If door open equals 0, then door is closed. Door is closed. And if door open equals 1, then obviously the door is open. Okay, so we should, there we go, door closed, F3D, door open, door closed. Cool, there we go. That's how you toggle an objective nice and simply with one command and have a nice little boolean value that you can use later on to check for the states of different things. I will see you later. Bye bye, take care.